Hello guys, it's Juju Haley here and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you the start of our big project. The big project we have is we are building a house. We will build our own house, a steel kit house. We are a homeowner builder and we will build a house like this. We purchased the kit house from the Sheds and Homes. This house, it had 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We will build the house 0.6 meters off the ground, so before that we need to dig more holes for the post. As you can see at the back, that's the house frame, and yesterday they made some markings. As you can see there are markings in the ground. That's where the holes will go for the post. And they also put string lines to check if it is square. To make it easier for him to locate the right spot for him to dig, he dig it first with a small auger digger. He attached it to the cordless drill, and he will use this main excavator to dig the holes. He need to dig 23 holes altogether, 20 for the house and the 3 is for the front veranda. The hole that we will dig is 300 mil size, round, and at least 750 mil deep. And we make it sure that the hole is clean without loose dirt in it. We already worked it out how far we dig with this auger. If the bolts will below the ground, a little bit below the ground, it means that we already reach 750 mil deep. So I hope that we don't encounter any problem like big rocks or big roots from the trees before. As a homeowner builder, and if you want to do most of the job yourself, you will save good money. And the money that you can save from doing your own, you can use it to finish the house. To become a homeowner builder, you need to get the certificate, and you will do the course online, and sometimes it can be stressful. White card certificate is also a requirement for homeowner builder course. We are lucky that we had a good certifier that who guide us what to do with the council requirements and other paperworks, because this is our first time being a homeowner builder, and we don't have an idea where to start and what to do. Ken and I, we already had experience of renovating a house. We renovate 2 houses already, and this is different because we are not renovating, we are building a new house. And because this is a steel kit homes, I think it is easier because we don't have to do measurement with your frames. You will only put it together because it already had holes and bolts, and it comes with a kit. So I hope that we don't have any problems and the project will go smoothly. The reason why we choose to have a steel kit frame because of the termites. If you are a homeowner builder, you can also get a discount of your building materials from the hardware. If you are a homeowner builder, you can do most of the work except for the plumbing and electrical works. With kit house frame, it comes in a flat pack, so you will only follow the instruction and put it together. According to the builder, the time consuming of this building this house is only to prepare the bottom part, the foundation and the subfloor. You have to make it sure that your measurement is accurate, otherwise you cannot put all the frames together. We expecting roots when we dig the hole, because before we had a few trees here at the front and we cut it down. This is the hardest part after you dig it, because you have to remove the loose dirt, and it's really hard for him to reach under in the hole. And this is the target. We make it sure that it looks like this. It's clean without loose dirt inside. And because we are only beginners and we did not do this kind of work before, so when Ken dig the holes, I assist him. We make it sure that the hole is straight and not crooked, so I always guide him. We will keep you updated for the progress of this project, and I hope that this project of ours will help you out with, if you're interested to build your own home. I would like to take this opportunity to give a mega love shout out to my subscribers, and I will start with Inday EB. She always there every time I had a new upload. Thank you so much, Sisi. And also mega love shout out to Claricel Black the Farmer family. Thank you, Sisi. And mega love shout out to our new friends here, Bait the Trains. Thank you, thank you. And we also had a new friend here. Mega love shout out to Steffi M and Gazab Chalapa. And also mega love shout out to Family Travelers Official. And also mega love shout out to Kiddos Happiness. Also mega love shout out to Korea Cross Blended, and also to Resort Family Vlogs and Glory and Shine. And also mega love shout out to my Facebook friends, my families back home in the Philippines, and cousins in Philippines who are always supporting me. Thank you so much. And also to my Facebook friends here and my husband's family. Thank you for your support. We also need to build a box on the top of the hole for a pad, 150 mil deep. That's all for now, and see you in my next video, and it will be the second stage of this project. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.